Dog, we must apprehend this bank robber.
Yes. Hold it there, you fiend.
I'm afraid it won't be so simple, Scraller. You can't catch me now, Jog.
Oh no, my swag.
But then, a realization.
My swag.
Stop discovering your passion for fashion, dog! The ants have formed an insect night and are demanding workers' rights.
Don't worry, Master. I'll use this anti-ant gun to destroy it.
No, the ants are just fighting for workers' rights. You must free yourself from the capitalist Batman.
Dog! Help! I've got ants in my pants! Dog knew what he had to do.
I'll save you, Master.
Good thinking, Dog! All in a day's work for Fat Man and Dog.